Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix setup doesn't support configuration or installation through USB on ASUS VIVOBOOK Pro. So, first, restart our computer, and while it's turning on, spam the escape button. Now enter setup by clicking the arrows and then enter. Now through clicking tab, go into the advanced mode and click enter, or you can click F7. Then go into the advanced options through arrows, then arrow down to VMD setup menu, enter, and enable VMD controller. Disable this option. Click enter to OK, and now click F7 and F10. Enter to OK, then spam escape once again. Select the USB that you want to boot from. Wait for it to load. And now click Alt and N. Oh, you can't see anything. Now it's better. Again, Alt and N. Now Alt and A. Remember to click the letter that is underlined. So in English it's Alt and N, but if you're using it in Russian or Espanol or something like that, then it's a different letter. Now again, Alt and N in English. It's getting a few things ready. Alt and A to accept. And now we don't have this problem anymore, as you can see. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.